It was faster than a fighter jet. It soared beyond Earth's atmosphere, and it struck without warning. This is the terrifying story of the V-2, the world's first long-range guided ballistic missile. The V-2 rocket was unlike anything the world had ever seen. Developed by Nazi Germany during World War II, it wasn't just a weapon, it was a glimpse into the future of warfare. Launched straight into the sky, this missile reached speeds of nearly 3,600 miles per hour. That's 5 times the speed of sound. It even exited Earth's atmosphere, becoming the first man-made object to reach space. Weighing over 27,000 pounds and standing 46 feet tall, the V-2 was packed with explosive power, 2,000 pounds of amatol. But what made it truly terrifying, you never heard it coming. Victims only heard the boom. The sonic boom came after impact. Its guidance system used gyroscopes and analog computers to steer it mid-air, controlled by graphite jet vanes glowing red-hot in the rocket's exhaust. This wasn't sci-fi. This was 1944. It had no pilot, no warning, just devastation. In fact, London and Antwerp were pummeled by over 3,000 of these silent killers in the final years of the war. But here's the twist. Despite its revolutionary design, the V-2 wasn't accurate. It could miss its target by up to 11 miles. The Nazis hoped it would change the war. It didn't. Yet, the legacy of the V-2 lived on. After the war, American and Soviet scientists rushed to capture this tech, laying the foundation for the Cold War space race. The V-2 didn't win the war, but it launched the future.